Hi there, my name's Stuart and I'm from Blacks, and today I'm here to show you how to tighten your valve on your air beam. Now I've removed the air beam, which you don't actually have to do, but it just makes it easier to show you. Now sometimes you might go a walk and come back and see that your tent is sagging a little. This doesn't automatically mean you've got a puncture. What you should be checking with the valve tool provided is that all valves are as tight as they can be. So insert the valve key and lock it out by turning it clockwise and take it out. Once you've done this, you just simply need to make sure that the valve pin is in the upright position. You can either feed it back into the sleeve if you've taken it out, or pump it up with your air pump. This is a simple way to make sure your tent stays up. If you found this useful, please check out some of our how-to videos. Thanks for watching.